A reporter must expect uninvited guests during their work, that is, while reporting. Here is one parrot who just became a headache to a reporter. During a live broadcast about crime and insecurity, a parrot amusingly sat on a TV reporter's shoulder before stealing his earpiece and flying off with it. While journalist Nicolas Krumm was live on air addressing the increase in robberies, a parrot came near his shoulder and surprised him by removing his earpiece. Sounds ironic, right? Watch this. The amusing incident was caught on camera and it demonstrates that Nicolas Krumm was live broadcasting about robberies and security in Santiago de Chile when destiny intended for him to get a surprise visitor. The parrot was sitting on journalist's shoulder when the footage was shot, and the journalist immediately began signaling the cameraman. The bird abruptly took 2 steps to his right and removed the earpod, which happened with incredible speed. Many people are raving about the clip on the internet, and it may have been among the funniest things to ever happen live on television. The video is being widely shared on all major social media platforms globally, despite the fact that it is in Spanish. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.